everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna super exciting because we are going to unbox the Dyson Airwrap Complete Long. So what's even better is I didn't just receive one box, I actually got two boxes today. One of them contains a free gift that I got during the Boxing Day sale. Alright, let's open the first box. This one contains the free Dyson paddle brush which I got as a bonus during the Boxing Day sale. And here it is. This brush is in color pale rose. It's perfect for detangling and smoothing your hair with a soft cushion base that makes it gentle on your scalp. I love that Dyson included this as a free gift, and it's something I'll definitely use every day. Let's move on to the main event. Now the second box. This is the Dyson's Airwrap Complete Long. I'm so excited to finally see it in person. Now for the second box, the one we have all been waiting for. So when you open the cardboard box, we have the actual Dyson packaging. Let's take a moment to appreciate this. It's so sleek, sturdy and premium. I absolutely love how Dyson always pay attention to the details, even in the packaging. Alright, so when we open the cardboard box, the first thing you see is a layer of instructions and the warranty card right on top. This is super helpful to get started. Alright, now let's see what's inside the box. So here's the main device, the Dyson Airwrap Complete Long. It's in the stunning copper and silver color. And let me show you all the buttons and controls it comes with. The center button is the power button, which also works as a cool shot button to set your hairstyle in place. Then there are two other buttons. One is for adjusting the fan speed and the other one is for controlling the heat levels. And on the other side of the device there is another button. This one is used to lock and unlock the attachments like the curling rods or brushes. It makes switching between tools super easy and secure. And actually I was initially planning to buy one of the newer models that Dyson just released in 2024. Those come with a Bluetooth connection feature, which sounds really cool. But the reason I didn't go for that is they only had it available in the blue color at that time. And honestly, I wasn't a big fan of that shade. Next inside the box, there is a cleaning brush for the attachments, which is super handy for keeping everything in top shape. And then there are the curling rods, and they come in two sizes. So one has a thicker diameter, which I personally love because it creates beautiful and voluminous curls, while the thinner one is better for tighter and more defined curls. And I don't use the thinner one much because I'm not a fan of overly defined curls. After that, there is a blow dryer attachment, which is incredibly versatile, and you can rotate the top of it to change the airflow direction and making it really easy to dry and style different sections of your hair. Finally, the box includes three brushes. One is the round volumizing brush that's perfect for adding bounce and lift, which I really love, and the other two are smoothing brushes designed for the different hair type and needs that I'll explain in a different video, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's it. And you can see here how the empty box looks, and it's really well organized with a partition in between to keep everything neatly separated. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video where I will show you how to use the Dyson Airwrap and the amazing results you can get with it. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!